Assignment submission. Assignment submission dates are final unless otherwise indicated. If a submission error occurs before the due date and time, then contact your supervisor. The request should be made through RegioNet messages immediately. Consideration for corrected assignments can be made if the email is sent before the due date at 11 p.m. An email that is sent out at 11 p.m. or later will not be considered for correction. Materials that are due at an observation should be completed and organized on OneNote by the specified time, otherwise it will be considered late. Assignment submission continued. Late policy. Submission by due date at 11:56 p.m. through the following day at 11:55 p.m. will receive a 25% deduction in points. Submission by the day following the due date at 11:56 p.m. through 2 dates following the due date at 11:55 p.m. will receive a 50% deduction in points. Submissions beyond 2 dates following the due date at 11 p.m. will not be accepted.
So district policies. So teacher candidates are to request and read all handbooks, crisis management, and emergency procedures, and other important school materials before the first day of school. And teacher candidates are also required to read district alternative learning plans and should be ready to alter the format of instruction if it is required. Candidates should ask questions about the above materials as soon as possible, as they're going to be held accountable to understanding them.
Severe weather. Know how your school alerts staff, students, and parents of school closings. It is your responsibility to monitor district school closings. Inform parents or spouse of the plan in place in the event of winter weather. If ISU closes and you are living in McLean County, you should not report to your sites. If ISU has a delayed start and you are living in McLean County, you should follow the ISU announcement start time to leave or delayed start time to leave for your site. Severe weather continued. If ISU announces an early closing time and you are living in McLean County, you should follow the ISU announcement closing time. May leave site a bit earlier if necessary. Monitor weather and road conditions carefully and use sound judgment in determining travel to and from their site. Notify your supervisor immediately if you choose not to travel to a site when school district is still in session. You will not be penalized for not traveling to your site due to winter weather, but not going will be counted as an absence. The number of absences should be carefully monitored.